Okay, guys, we're still here at Lamborghini Miami, Prestige Lamborghini. So you guys can see they have everything. They have Rolls Royce, they have Porsches, some more Lamborghinis. We're gonna go check them out, so follow me. So we just saw their showroom. Now we're outside and yeah, it's pretty hot. But I mean, look at all these toys. We're gonna go check them out. Whole bunch of Lamborghini Urus. Corvette, Porsche. Yes, right here. I love Porsche. Aventador, SLS. $458. Vista. They have everything here. Everything. That's beautiful, man. Tesla Model S, probably a Plaid. We'll see. Look at this beautiful Lamborghini SVJ. Look at this 60th anniversary Lamborghini Huracan. Some more Uruses. No Porsche over here. Look at this R6. Look at this BMW M4. There's some really nice wheels. White body. Yeah, this M4, it's beautiful. This is the new McLaren. I think this is the Artura, if I'm not mistaken. New McLaren Artura. Audi R8. Over here we got some more Aventadors. I love the Lamborghini Aventador. It's just a very slick, very fast looking car. It just looks amazing. That's Bruce Wayne's car. Beautiful. Hurricane Evo. Yeah, they got Lambos for days. I mean, what you expect is Lamborghini Miami is to deal with shit. But here we go. Oh man, look at that beautiful Lamborghini SV. That is gorgeous. They also have the there's a Fisker Rivero. Amazing. All right, guys, that is it for today. It's really hot out here in South Florida. Again, thanks to Lamborghini Miami for letting me come out here. You know, I asked them if I could film. They say yes, and yeah, Lamborghini Miami. They have all the toys. This is the place to be. You need to buy a Lamborghini Miami is the way to go. Yeah, guys, mark my words. I'm gonna come here in the future and buy a car from Lamborghini Miami. That's for sure. I'm telling you guys right now, I'm out here right now in the sun, walking around, checking all the cars. I'll be coming sometime in the future to buy a car from here. Again, thanks to Lamborghini Miami for letting me come out here and shoot. They're amazing, great staff, great cars. They have all the toys. Prestige Imports, Lamborghini Miami. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.